morning everyone. My name is Joyce Pizarro from BID 2C. I learned in Unit 6 is all about the plant organ. We have 6 parts of plant organ. The roots, flowers, fruits, seed, leaf, and stem. So, yung roots daw ang unang bahagi na tumutubo sa halaman. We have 3 types of roots. Ito ang primary roots, secondary roots, and tertiary roots. Ang primary roots ay nabubuo galing sa mga buto ng halaman. Ang secondary roots naman ay nabubuo o nanggagaling sa primary roots na kung saan ang pangalawang ugat ay tinatawag na secondary roots. Ang tertiary roots naman, ito ay nagmumula sa secondary roots. So, we have 2 main kinds of root system. Ito ang fibrous at taproot. The example of fibrous is grass. And the example of taproot is carrots and radishes. So, the second part of the plant organ is flower. Flower is the organ of reproduction in flowering plant. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, siya ay nagpaparami ng mga halamang namumulaklak. So, we have 2 types of flower. Ito ang stamen and pistil. Stamen is a male part of a flower. So, we have 2 types of stamen. Ito ang anther and pistil. Anther is a part of a stamen that reproduces and contain a pollen. And the filament, ito yung tangkay na nakaibabaw sa anther. So, the next one is pistil. Pistil is the female part of a flower. We have 3 parts of pistil. Ito ay stigma, style, and ovary. So, ang stigma is the sticky bump that you see in the center of the flower. So, ang style is the long stalk that the stigma sit on top of the ovary. And the ovary is usually at the bottom of the flower.